Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Eagar local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a competent moving company to help you relocate? If you are in the right place. 3 Movers is the perfect moving company to manage your move. We are the most efficient and cheapest local and long-distance moving company in Eagar AZ. Before our intervention, moving between homes was a strenuous and dreary task. 3 Movers has enabled our clients to access efficient service without going beyond their budget. We are your best choice if you want your move to be fast, efficient, and satisfactory. If you want to know more about us, ask around and learn about our excellent service. We have a positive reputation in Eagar AZ and beyond. Our positive reputation in all our cities of operation is because of our commitment to the satisfaction of our clients. When you hire our services, you work with professionals. Our team of movers is respectful and competent. Our customer service agents are willing to listen to you and provide answers to any questions concerning your move. We go the extra mile to satisfy our clients, which is why we are the people's favorite. Also, our moving packages are flexible and can be customized to meet our clients' specific needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eagar moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.